Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So yeah, we need to stay on our toes here. Things can get very interesting here very shortly. I am going to change count a little bit though, but it doesn't make a great difference anyway. It's just in the detail here that I want a clearer three-wave move down. So I'm considering this count. WXY would be the structure here. But different possibilities, there are different possibilities really. The message I want to give here really is that obviously we are holding above our support area. Yeah, so we're holding above support. The uptrend is still in play. We've been talking about this uptrend and we broke above $2,000, which is great as well. And as long as we're holding the support area, and especially here, I mean, the wave 2 here is important to hold at 1967 or 1965. What is even more important is to hold the support box here in yellow. Yeah, I don't really want it to break below 1889. It would really challenge this direct bullish breakout thesis. So we are between resistance and above support. So let me just put that on. Let me put resistance onto the chart here. Yeah, there is a pivot, a resistance area that I'm thinking we need to consider, and this is here, the 1.38 fib, the 1.38 fib retracement. So as long as we stay below that level, I do expect a pullback in a possible wave in a possible wave 2. Because what could happen, and that's sort of my view at the moment, is that yeah, we might have completed here a wave 1. Come down now in a wave 2 of a smaller degree, and do something like that. And unless we break really above 2045 impulsively, I'm now looking at this as a possible wave 2 pullback. And this is actually in the making already now. So it actually is already working out. So let's look at this wave 2. So yeah, we're already in the support area. So I actually don't need that resistance anymore. I'm just seeing that now the chart has already moved on. Did we already? No, we haven't. Yeah, well, we've seen a bit of a reaction here to it. The point is, this is now support for this smaller degree wave 2. As long as we can hold 1984, I would rather suggest, we go up directly higher in a third wave. Yeah, 1984 is the key pivot for me. Even though I could give it a bit more space, I might just do that. For now I leave it here because I'm considering this the wave 2 low. I might correct it down a bit, because if it comes down to 1961, holds that and then reverses, it could still be a wave 2. Yeah, I will then just move the wave 2 down here. I think where I had it before. Subwave structure a little bit unclear to me, but I would use the yellow support box really as the pivot for going higher or losing that overall bullish case here. For me, the trend is up, yeah, and I had a question in the previous video, but I think it was the silver video. Someone asked that, there are some analysts who are expecting a new low still. What I think about it. Well, I can only tell you, I don't know that analysis, but I mean, we've broken above $2,000, and for silver, it's a similar situation. I mean, anybody who's still expecting a new low, I mean, it's, of course, you can have that assumption and it can absolutely work out. But the only way to really work in these markets, especially at the moment, is take it level by level. So as long as we are above support levels, and I have the same philosophy on the Bitcoin chart as well, on crypto charts, as long as we're holding above support, because we have seen 5-wave moves to the upside, there's no reason to focus on a downtrend. If support breaks, and that's why we risk manage, then we change our perspective. But why would I have a bearish perspective if we are holding above bullish support? Now, if the market wants to pull back, then yeah, these support zones, they give us the view and they give us the clarity when we have to change perspective. But, you would lose out on sort of bullish potential if you are focused too much on the downside, yeah, because there is a chance the trend has shifted. And so you take it level by level. Yeah, and happy to change my view if the market tells me I need to do so. But for now, the market tells me we are focused here on the upside against these key pivots, against these key support areas. And honestly, if this is now the third wave here in the making, I mean, then we're talking about, let's just measure that, just roughly, third wave target. Well, you'd be looking at something around $2,390, you know. So let's see. I mean, we need to stay on our toes. This reminds me, price action reminds me currently of February price action, where there was a lot of FOMO in the market at the time. A lot of people expected a breakout. We on this channel talked about a wave 2 pullback coming. Happened. So also here I'm looking now at this as a wave 2 pullback. It could develop into a deeper pullback, but as long as 1889 holds, my focus remains on the upside. All right, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.